Well, hello aviation lovers and welcome back to the Vliegpiet channel. This week, a little bit of a different approach, pun intended. I promised you a Q&A session for Boxing Day, but hey, it is the holiday season. Of course, that's the time to enjoy the good company of family, friends, and sometimes even colleagues, because yeah, I got called out again for another flight. Gives me new material, but less time to edit my videos. So long story short, I didn't have enough time to edit a full video for you this week and also next week, because I'm gonna enjoy the holidays a little bit more. But I didn't want to leave you empty-handed, so I dug up some footage from a night flight to Amsterdam, flying home for Christmas. Rest in peace, Mr. Chris Rwy. Enjoy the holidays, all the best for 2026, and I hope to see you all back in the new year. And by the way, if you still have any questions for the Q&A, please feel free to drop them in the comments. For next year, I'm planning to make a new video for the Q&A session. Until then, thank you for watching and keep the blue side up. Vliegpiet out!
500.
So that's it for this flight. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Please press that like button if you did. And of course you can subscribe over here. I've got some more videos over here and I got a complete playlist over there. And that's it for now. Vliegpiet out.